Welcome to a playful garden filled with enthusiastic characters. Are you ready for a magical adventure in the land of plants? Let's hop, skip, and jump into the world of vibrant colors and wondrous greenery. Hey there, my young plant explorers. Are you ready to meet our plant pals? Let's shout out the names of plants we know. Is it a tall tree, a colorful flower, or something else? Share your thoughts with me. Let's kick off this adventure with a playful challenge. True or false? Plants are living things. What do you think? Is it true or false? Absolutely true. Plants are indeed living, breathing characters. They have their own way of growing, breathing, and being alive. Let's dive into their delightful world and explore the secrets of their magical parts. Every plant character has a special parts that help them grow big and strong. Let's unravel the tale of a young plant character and its magical parts and find out what makes them so amazing. Once upon a time, in the whimsical garden, lived a plant named Sammy Sprout. Sammy had 4 special buddies: Roti the root, Stemmy the stem, Leafy the leaf, and Flora the flower. Each friend had a superpower to help Sammy become a big, strong plant character. Roti the root was Sammy's magical anchor, keeping Sammy in place and helping him drink water and eat yummy nutrients from the soil. Can you pretend to be Roti, reaching down into the soil for a refreshing drink of water? Can you feel the cool, refreshing water as Roti? Yes or no? Stemmy the stem was Sammy's fantastic elevator. He carried water and food up and down, just like a magical elevator in a tall tower. Can you show me how Stemmy stretches up towards the sun? Can you reach up high like Stemmy to grab the sunlight? Yes or no? Now, let's talk about Leafy the leaf, Sammy's super solar panel. Leafy soaked up the sun's energy and made delicious food for Sammy to enjoy. Can you pretend to be Leafy, soaking up the sun's energy? Can you feel the warmth of the sun as Leafy? Yes or no? Last but not the least, Flora the flower was Sammy's beautiful party organizer. She invited friendly insects and birds to join the garden party and help Sammy make seeds for new plant friends. Can you show me how Flora opened up to invite insect friends? Can you be a friendly flower like Flora, inviting your insect friends? Yes or no? And that's the whimsical tale of Sammy and his plant character Petals. Just like Sammy's plant, have these special parts that make them unique and wonderful. Remember, plants are our green buddies, and they need our care and love too. Thank you for joining me on this lovely plant adventure. Until our next whimsical tale, happy exploring! If you loved this adventure and want to explore more exciting stories, and learning experiences, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Stay tuned for more fun and educational plant tales. Happy exploring and see you next time!